Hi guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, have I been gone for a while. I apologize for not posting. July has just been so crazy for me, extremely busy. So I hope you guys weren't thinking that I was like giving up my YouTube. I'm honestly too invested into my YouTube to give up at this point. I really enjoy doing this, so never giving up. But yeah, basically why I haven't been recording videos because I haven't had the time. I had my wedding, which took up like the first 2 weeks of July, and then that left the last 2 weeks of July for me and my family to move out of our apartments. And we moved out, me and my husband moved out all by ourselves, so it took a while. And we are currently living with my parents, who were so generous to even let us live here for a while until we get our own place. So as for right now, I don't have like a beauty room, but I do have this new vanity back here, which my husband got me for my birthday. I turned 22, so yeah, August 4th is my birthday. So I also went on a trip for that, so that took up some more time. So yeah, it's just been such a busy time for me. Anyways, enough talking. I really want to get into the video, and today's video is actually going to be showing you guys my new vanity and my new space. I am so in love with it, so I really wanted to share with you guys like my vanity, how I set it up, etc, etc. Also, if you guys are interested in my vanity, I will link it in the description box. I got it on Amazon. But yeah, nothing too crazy today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell to join my little family. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is like my setup. Nothing too crazy. I don't really care for anything like super extravagant. I honestly really wanted a super tiny, convenient, small, portable vanity space. I didn't really want like a huge big one that took up a lot of space. At my apartment, my filming area took up so much space and I hated it. You guys can see me in my shorts, so please ignore that. I'm just chilling at home, so don't judge. But anyways, so this is my vanity. Comes with the mirror, little stuff, so let's go ahead and dive in. So starting off with my vanity, I'm gonna move this. I don't know why I have my tripod here. Okay, so starting off with my actual vanity, comes with a really nice sized mirror with lights that comes with like a little switch that can turn on and off. Also, this dual came with the vanity, so it was such a good deal. So you get a bunch of light bulbs that are amazing quality, by the way. They light up perfectly. I really didn't want a vanity that would like light up my area too much to the point where I just look super white. This one is like the perfect amount of lighting, which I love. I can really see what my makeup looks like. And this mirror is also big enough to like do my hair, so I love that. And then it comes with these really cute mini little drawers where I can put my clips, hair ties, extra clips. Here is an extra light bulb, and then just my eyelash curler. And then here's like my Q-tips and then other utensils. So I really like that they have these because those take up such unnecessary space in like if I was to put them in like a jar. So I really like that. Moving on to what's actually inside my vanity. So it looks messy, but it's actually quite organized to me. So on the left side here, I have my skincare stuff. So just my Glossier toner, First Aid Beauty moisturizer, Laneige lip balm. So in this main area is like my go-to Holy Grails makeup products. So these are things that I use on a daily, that I grab for all the time, where I don't want to have to look through my entire drawer. So I can just open this and grab it, use these every day. And I'm not going to go through every single product. You guys can pretty much see everything all laid out right here. And then over here in this little white drawer is products that I have to test out, or I want to try out, or I have to use, or it's just kind of like a little reminder basket for like videos and stuff. Okay, so that is my actual vanity. Moving on to this little 3-tier over here, which I love, by the way. I got this at Ross for like 20 to 30 bucks. So over here I have my mascaras. These are my high-end ones. These are my drugstore ones. I really like storing my mascaras like this because they are so tiny. They take up unnecessary room like in my drawer, so I just don't really see a need to give them their own drawer. And then I also use these jars to store like my mini eyeshadow brushes. So yeah, just smaller brushes. And then I have this huge acrylic brush holder to store my really big ones, and I really like this because then I can see all of them. So yeah, I love putting my brushes on this 3-tier. I used to have my brushes on my like actual desk vanity, and that was just so annoying. It took up so much space, and the amount of times I knocked over like these small drawers and then my brush would just fall on the ground, it was so annoying. I couldn't anymore. So really needed this 3-tier. So happy I invested in it. Moving on to down here. Down here is just kind of like more junk, but this is like junk that I use on a daily basis. So like deodorant, my heat protectant spray, my hairbrush, claw clips, my little pads for my toner, perfume, etc, etc. And then down here is kind of empty, but I put my hair dryer here because I style my hair every day. So, and then just a random tripod. And then moving on to up here. So I have 2 huge acrylic makeup containers on top of this already makeup drawer because I have so many lip products that it takes up a lot of room in this one, and then I don't really have space for my other makeup. And here I can see everything, and I constantly grab for different lip products, so I like having these 4 lip products. I got these at Ross, and they're really cute. They have this cute marble design, which also matches my marble mirror, but we'll get into that. So on this left hand side, we have all of my lip glosses. So up here, I have all of my like drugstore like small lip glosses. So you have ColourPop, you have Ulta Beauty, NYX Butter Gloss, Essence. So yeah, just a bunch of really small compact drugstore ones that will fit into the smaller one. And then same goes for this side. You just have my high-end small compact lip glosses. So we have like Glossier, Kosas, Kylie, KKW, Ilia, Pat McGrath Labs. So yeah, just a lot of goodies. And then in these 3, I kind of just organize them the way that I like, I guess. So in this first one right here, I have my Tower 28 lip jellies, my Kaja gloss shots, my M Cosmetics lip glosses, and then just some Roman Glasting lip tints. So these are kind of like my milky, kind of sheer and natural light weighted lip glosses. So that's how I organized this one. And then in this third one right here, I have my high-end lip glosses. So I have a bunch of ABH, Rare Beauty, Bare Minerals, Smashbox, Fenty, KKW, and Dior. So these are like kind of like my more heavy lip glosses, I guess, like more that I would wear with full glam. So yeah. And then this 4th one right here, this 4th row one, these are like my skinny lip glosses. So I have my Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lips, which I love. And then I have my Kaja, what are these? Art Melter glosses. I have my M Cosmetics lip cushions. And then just this K-Beauty lip tint that I have not tested out yet. I'm trying to save those to do another K-Beauty video. And then in this last one is all of my drugstore lip glosses. So you got some e.l.f., ColourPop, Essence, Maybelline, Revlon, Milani, a little bit of everything, honestly. So now moving on to this second acrylic makeup organizer. Up in this left hand corner, I just have all of my lip liners. They're basically just all nudes. I don't really have like other lip liners, so these are just my lip liners. I have a ton. I have a bunch of ColourPop, LA Girl, NYX, KKW Beauty, e.l.f. So yeah, just a bunch of goodies. Up here is where I store all of my lip balms. So I have a ton. I was like obsessed with lip balms for a while, so that's why I have so many. But I am like addicted to my Laneige one, so I don't really use any other one right now. So on this top one, you have all of my high-end liquid lipsticks. I have my M Cosmetics Infinite Lip Clouds all in here. Oh, what is this e.l.f. one doing here? This one needs to go into the drugstore one. Anyways, so I got my Rare Beauty, Patrick Ta, and then I have these K-Beauty Para like lip tints. So just randomly threw these in here because there was room. Third one, you have all of my high-end lipsticks. So I have a bunch of KKW Beauty because they are my favorite lipsticks. And then you have Glossier, you have Rare Beauty, Huda Beauty, Kylie Jenner, Sephora, Too Faced, a bunch of Smashbox ones. So yeah, underneath here you have a bunch of Smashbox, Kylie Jenner. Oh, Nabla. This is my favorite lipstick ever too. It's from Nabla. Moving on into this one. These are all of my drugstore like liquid lipsticks. So I have Wet n Wild, ColourPop, Elf, NYX, you name it, probably everything in here. So yeah, just a bunch of good stuff. I mainly have nudes and then some like reds here and there. So those are really pretty much the only thing I wear. Also, these NYX jumbo like lip liners. Well, these aren't lip liners. They say they're lipsticks, but I think they're like jumbo lip liners are my current favorite. I love these. And then this last one is all of my drugstore lipsticks. So I have a bunch of like silky lipsticks, matte lipsticks, Revlon, L'Oreal, Morphe 2, Elf, Essence. So yeah, NYX on the bottom here. So ColourPop right here. So yeah, just a bunch of good stuff. So that is what is in these two acrylic makeup organizers. I love having my lip products there because then it's really easy for me to just grab them. All right, so over here behind my makeup organizers on this big shelf, I just have my mirror, which I can easily reach for from sitting here. I just grab it and then use it. I love that it's marble. It's so pretty. It matches this, which was unintentional because I bought these at 2 different times and I didn't even realize. And then back here, I just have my setting sprays. I decluttered a lot of makeup, guys, like because of moving, so that's a whole nother video. All right, so moving on to this huge organizer, which I got from Impressions Vanity. I give it like a 5 out of 10 because it wasn't what I thought it was gonna be. It's not that, actually. It wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna be. But I mean, it's okay, I guess. But I would suggest probably just buying something from IKEA or something a lot less expensive and does the same job. But anyways, I have it now, so I'm stuck with it. So in this top drawer right here, I have all of my primers. I got rid of like little square organizers because it just took up too much space and like organizers didn't fit in here perfectly, so that was a pain. So I kind of just throw my products in here now. I really don't care anymore. So yeah, all of my primers not really organized at all, so that's that. Second drawer right here, we have all of my foundations. Not really organized either. I think I tried to keep like skin tints over here, and then over here is actual foundations, but it looks kind of messy right now. So, and then in the way back, you have cushion foundations. So yeah, these are my foundations. Got a lot of stuff in there. And then this third one is my concealers. So these are all of my concealers, and right here is just like my brow products, and I had to randomly throw this in here because I have no other place to throw it really, and the concealer one had a lot of space left. So, but I have been using my Kosas Airbrow like religiously. It's the only thing that really works right now, so I haven't really been reaching for other brow products. So this fourth one right here, it is just all powders, and then back there is like eyeliners and stuff, but I never wear eyeliner, so I don't really care to like see it and reach for it. So yeah, these are my setting powders. This one is all of my powder blushes, so it goes pretty far back. This is also why I don't really like this drawer, because it has like a good 5 inches stuck back there, so you can't see any products. But yeah, these are all my powder blushes. I try to keep the ones I use a lot up the front here. And then so these come into 2 sizes. So you got this really big one, and then you have these smaller ones. So in these bigger ones down here, in this first big one, I have all of my liquid and cream blushes. Oh my god, I have to designate this category to a big one because look at how much I have. It's honestly crazy. I am such a cream and liquid blush fanatic. I have so many, so this is all dedicated to that. And then in the second big one, I just have my bronzers. In here, it is both liquid and powder, so I got a bit of everything. These are just all of my bronzers, not really like organized in a certain way. And then in this big one, I have my highlighters. I don't have that much highlight, but I didn't want to put into one of the smaller ones up there because I don't reach for it that often, so I wanted to put it into one of the lower ones. And then back there I just have some extra skincare stuff. So, and then in this very last one, it is all of my eyeshadow palettes, eyeshadow stuff. I have big palettes, small palettes, like pots and stuff, and then way back here I have a bunch of eyelashes. So yeah, that is what is in this giant one, and that is my vanity. I also want to show you guys a sneak peek of like what I am decluttering. This is my husband's GameStop bag, but holy cow, this is so much freaking makeup. Do you guys hear that? So yeah, that was my vanity tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.